Imagine you are in a team meeting and the manager says, "We need to bring down expenses this quarter." Everyone understands it's about reducing costs. Or picture yourself at a party. The music is fun, but then someone plays a sad song. You turn to your friend and say, "Wow, that really brought down the mood." Hey guys, today let's master the phrasal verb bring down. It has two main uses. First, in professional contexts, it means to reduce or lower something, like costs, errors, or stress levels. Second, in everyday life, it means to make someone feel sad or to reduce excitement. For young adults and professionals, this verb is powerful because it works in both serious and casual conversations. You can bring down production costs in a business plan, or you can say a boring lecture brought down the vibe in class. It is all about lowering something, numbers, moods, or intensity. I want you to think about a time when something was reduced, maybe stress at school or cost at work. Commenting below is the best way to show engagement, and it helps you practice right away. Your brain remembers what it creates, so write your own sentence after these examples. Here are 6 practical examples. Example 1. The company introduced new software to bring down the number of mistakes in reports. Example 2. Managers are working hard to bring down delivery times for customers. Example 3. That sad movie really brought me down last night. Example 4. The loud argument brought down the fun atmosphere at the cafe. Example 5. Regular exercise can bring down stress levels during exams. Example 6. Discounts are designed to bring down the final price for shoppers. Now, it is your turn. Go to the comments and post an example you have created with bring down. Was it about reducing costs, lowering stress, or changing the mood? Share it with us. If you can relate, leave a like to let me know. Keep learning and see you in the next video.